Is Zoom refusing to open on your PC? Whether the app won't launch, gets stuck on a loading screen, crashes immediately, or simply does nothing when you click it, there are several ways to fix the problem. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zoom not opening on a PC in 2026. First, restart your PC. Temporary software conflicts and background processes can sometimes prevent Zoom from opening properly. A simple restart often resolves these issues. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any Zoom processes running in the background and end them before trying to launch Zoom again. Right-click the Zoom shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can help if Zoom is being blocked by permission-related issues. An outdated version of Zoom may cause startup problems. Visit the Zoom download page and install the latest version available for Windows. Some antivirus programs or firewall settings may prevent Zoom from launching correctly. Temporarily check your security software and verify that Zoom is allowed. If Zoom still won't open, uninstall it completely from your PC and then download a fresh copy from the official Zoom website. This often fixes corrupted installation files. Make sure your Windows system is fully updated. Missing system updates can sometimes create compatibility issues with applications like Zoom. And that's how to fix Zoom not opening on a PC in 2026. By restarting your computer, updating Zoom, checking permissions, and reinstalling the app if necessary, you can solve most launch problems quickly. So try these troubleshooting steps and get back to your meetings without delays. Thanks for watching.